station.
Yeah. So today which topic today? Can you tell someone?
Animals. Farm animals.
Farm animals. All right. The farming video is very familiar with you already. So can you not to waste time to let's go. Which one we go first?
Sheep.
Sheep. All right.
Man.
Can you tell something about it? What?
The sheep have the picky.
The sheep have
And
what?
I can make the
Oh. The sheep have a ladder and a ladder to make the
yes.
the pillow like this, huh?
Yes.
Right? Wow. So the
No.
ladder of sheep is very good for you to make something, huh? And some person will make the clothes also by ladder of the sheep, right?
Yes.
Can you tell something
Because
about the
from
sheep?
animals,
Yes.
anything animal,
Yes.
we can buy and grow the coins.
Yes, really. Wow.
Yes.
Nice.
Yes.
Nice. What? What are you eating? What is this? Oh my god. It's every day, every time. That's why very fat already, right?
No, this is very short because it's short ribs.
So great. Wow.
Short.
Look, that's one. That's all the way. Wow.
I don't like rib because it's very.
All the way like this. Alright, so we go to the next one.
Roaster.
Roaster. Can you tell something about roaster?
The morning he said.
Yes.
But the hen is and have the eggs
The hen has an egg. And the roaster is very.
and have the chip.
Understand. So the roaster is very good in the morning. Can wake you up, right?
Oh yeah, he don't wake me up. He don't wake me up.
Oh, really?
Yes.
He can wake you up because.
No, I can get up.
You can get up. No need to someone to wake you up, right? Very good. Give me clap. Wow, nice.
Afternoon, I have sing. I have the homework in afternoon.
Yeah.
You don't say.
Yeah.
You is go to.
I'm go to work.
You go to work,
Yes.
but you don't wake me up. But I get up.
You get up.
But you don't know.
Oh, really? Can you give me clap, Tony? Yes, very nice. All right, we go to the next one.
Horse.
Horse. Can you tell something related to this horse? Can you tell something?
The horse don't have like
Yeah.
black and white,
Yeah.
but the horse have brown, yellow,
Brown, yeah.
black.
Yeah.
It's also.
Yeah. Very
But
nice.
zebra
Yeah.
don't like this.
Zebra don't like this. This have a cross.
Like me.
Oh, like this, right? Oh, zebra like this, and the horse like this, right?
Yes.
But so close a little bit dirty, right?
No, you very dirty.
All right, just go.
You eat a box. Look.
Oh look, yes. All right, that is a horse. Actually, do you think the the person that go to in the back of the horse and we ride we ride the horse. Do you know? We ride the horse like this. Oh, the horse go. Right?
I can see.
Yes. So
In the beginning city.
in the city. So you see the horse, right? And the person in the back is a horse, and the horse bring the person bring him Can carry the person to go. Yes, nice. Do you want to tell something about the horse? Just so.
Đó à. So like the lemon. Oh.
Oh, you eat a lot. Eat little bit only. It's a lot. Very fat. Okay, we go to the next one. Johnny.
Duck.
Oh, duck.
Quack quack.
Quack, quack. Yes.
Quack quack.
Can you tell something about the duck? What?
He eat the little duck. Quack quack.
Oh.
Mommy duck.
Yeah.
Daddy duck.
Yes.
And brother duck.
Yes.
And sister duck.
Wow, family duck, right?
Baby duck.
Oh, baby duck. Wow, nice. So the duck usually where the duck live? Remember?
Live in the pool.
A pool, in the pool, and swim.
Swim.
Swim. in-
Mommy duck is quack the egg, but the egg has the duck.
Yeah.
Quack quack.
Ah, nice. So but the duck can swim in water very well, right?
But the rooster and hen can't swim.
Doctor, yes, great clap, very nice. Nice, yeah, you're fighting very nice. Yeah, alright. So, okay, go to next one.
Hen
Yes.
quack and chip.
The hen can give the egg, right?
And the egg make the chip.
The egg, okay.
And the
make
chip make a hen or rooster.
Oh, very intelligent.
Rooster eat the boy,
Yes.
but the hen eat the girl.
Whoa, nice. Whoa, I didn't know this. Whoa, why you know?
Because it is
Yes.
but it
Understand. Wow, nice. You very intelligent, Tony. Very intelligent. Alright.
But I don't think the rooster eating duck and duck say quack quack, but he don't say quack quack. He say hen.
Yeah,
He say
nice.
hen.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
rooster eat duck.
Yeah, understand.
I don't know what you did.
I don't know. But
the
I know.
crocodile eat you.
Oh, crocodile very dangerous. Crocodile very dangerous.
Or otter or jellyfish eat crocodile.
Wow, really?
Yes.
Well, why do you know?
Because crocodile have the meat.
Yes. And how is the fish? The fish have some.
He like eating crocodile because crocodile eat.
Oh, maybe we go very far from this topic. Okay, we go to the next one.
Rabbit.
Rabbit. Yes. Can you tell something about rabbit?
Rabbit like carrot.
The rabbit very like carrot. Like you very like grape, right?
Hey, I don't like ribs because
Yeah.
that ribs is very sour.
It's very sure.
I look like the candy.
You like candy. Same the rabbit like the carrot, right?
Oh.
But can you tell the something to relate to the ear of carrots? Can you tell something about the two ears?
Very long.
Oh, very long ear, right?
Long like the hockey.
Very. That's why it's very and the rabbit run very fast, you know.
Hockey.
Yeah. Very lucky. Okay, so go to the next one.
Cat.
The cat.
My sister eat the cat.
Oh, your sister is a cat? Really?
Yes.
Wow, why you know it?
Because my sister is very want to see a cat.
Oh, really? Yes. Because she very like dog, that's why sometimes she...
Dog?
very like cat, right? Sorry.
You very naughty. naughty.
Ah, yes.
And you the crazy and messy crazy daddy.
Wow, yes, that's why. The same like you, right?
I hate you.
Alright. So the sister very like the cat. Yes. Oh, but the cat look very cute, huh? You see the face of the cat look very cute, right?
That.
Yeah.
But he wow.
Ah, very naughty, huh? And to bacon now everything's the same way.
No.
Very naughty.
You have the paper
Yes.
and you see the cat and the cat
Wow, you the leg, right?
and have and buy the paper. It's broken.
Yeah, broken. Okay, how about the last one?
Cow.
Cow.
Ooh. He have the milk
And cow have milk, right?
and he delicious.
Yeah, the milk very
Milk?
delicious. Yes. Oh.
Oh
Very
my
nice. So okay. Where are you? Okay, so all the farm animals here. Which animal you really love, really like to have? Which one?
Oh man.
Which one?
Rabbit.
Oh, rabbit. Why do you like rabbit?
Jumping. Puppy.
Wow. Because it can jumping and run very fast, right?
Yes.
And look very cute also, right? Look very cute. Wow. So like rabbits, okay. So today so many. Oh, how is the next this one?
A dog.
Ah, the dog. Wow, I think it's a dog. The dog is a fun animal also, right? The dog, but you like the dog? Do you like the dog?
Or the pig. Pig.
Pig. Oh.
I am picky in the middle.
Ah, you're a pig. You're a pig. Yes, yeah, I know because you are very fat. I look like a pig. Yes. Alright, so the dog and the pig is also in this picture. Very beautiful also. Alright, so today, okay. Oh, okay. Also, okay. We finish today, and you can either say goodbye to someone and see you later.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
See you later.
See you later. All right.